Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. It has been a long time since I made a video like this, but it is good to be back. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I like to share information that will be useful to others, so if that sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel. It really encourages me to keep going. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for being the real one. You are much appreciated. And after that long introduction, let's get to the video. Today I want to give out my honest review on this application called Sendwave. If you do not know what Sendwave is, it is actually an app that lets you send money from countries like USA, United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada, and other European countries, as you can see from the website. Where you can send the money to, you can send the money to your loved ones to the countries listed by the application, like Kenya, Tanzania, Philippines, Haiti, and the list goes on as shown on their website. The sign-up process is very easy and simple to follow. After signing up, they will verify your identity, and thereafter you can start sending money. So I've seen some people asking or wondering if Sendwave is safe, trustworthy, and all kind of stuff. I understand their concern because I was that person worried as well. So I started using Sendwave alongside Nala. I talked about Nala in my previous video. You can go and watch it on the I'll leave the link down below. So I wanted to send money to my loved one through Nala, but on that day Nala's exchange rate was very low. And what I love about Nala is that they always have a section where you can compare their rates with other apps, and that Sendwave has the best rate. So I decided to sign up and open an account with them. After verification, I was able to go on and do the transaction. Unfortunately, when I was doing the transfer, my bank blocked my card because they thought I might be scammed. I contacted my bank and they were able to unblock my card after letting them know I was actually the one doing the transfer. I believe they thought someone was taking the money from my card. But after I was able to do the transfer and everything went great up to this day, I still use it. From time to time when I see the better, when I see the rates are better than Nala. So that was my own experience with Sendwave. And to sum up, I will highly recommend using the application, as it is safe and secured. You do not need to worry about anything at all. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps someone who wanted to use the application but was unsure if it is safe or not. Go on and use it because it is safe to send money to your loved ones. So thank you again. Please don't forget to like, share, comment your experience with using Sendwave, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.